Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to MarineMax here in Cumming, Georgia. I'm John Powell, and today I'm going to take you on a brief walkthrough of our new 2025 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. Please come aboard. We're going to start here on the stern, which is where everybody likes to hang out. I want to highlight the fact that the boat has a hydraulic swim platform back here in the back. This lowers down into the water and can be used as a kiddie pool, maybe let the dogs in and out, or even if you got folks that don't move as well as they used to, help them get in and out. It's the most popular feature on this boat. As we move into the cockpit, there's this wonderful swing gate that will open up and let you enjoy the entire pad. Of course, there's storage below everything. This is the hardtop coupe version. So it has full glass on the windshield and the two sides, which with that is going to be paired to cockpit heat and AC. So you can keep this place completely climate controlled, summer or winter as you desire. This has the kitchen system with a grill up front in the cockpit, plus a fridge, plus your sink and your beautiful countertop. Everything you need to enjoy a nice afternoon grill out. Plenty of storage all around. There's accent lighting all around to create just the perfect ambiance. Big captain station with Axios docking. This also has the Skyhook digital anchor system, digital throttle and shift, twin Simrad screens with all the documentation and chart navigation that you could possibly ever need. Again, this is the full windshield. We'll look at the cabin in a minute. Look at this bow. This is amazing. You can lay 3 across, adjustable headrests, stereo controls, everyone's favorite place to hang out if they're not on the back stern of the boat. Let's go down below. Follow me down into the cabin. Now we're down in here in the very spacious cabin that the 320 boasts. This is set up to sleep 4. You can either have it like it is right now, where the bow area is set up as a bed. This is a table that's underneath here. It can go on a higher leg, so you have your full dinette. TV, of course, up here. This is climate controlled, of course. And back in the back, you've got where it's currently laid out as 2 twin beds. You can pull the center across to make the full queen-size bed back there and enjoy the night. You also boast a refrigerator and microwave. And right behind here, your nice full head with a built-in shower, so you can get cleaned up at the end of the day. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of the 2025 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. If you'd like to learn more about it or see it in person, please give us a call at 770-781-9370, and we look forward to showing it to you and seeing you out on the water.